Hi, Mary O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, when we sell real estate, there are three super important words that we need to be aware of. Location, location,
And location.
and location. Imagine living so close to Google campus that you can literally take your bicycle and go to work. What do you think about this property, Alia?
Absolutely, Eddie. This one is a delight. It is an urban oasis. 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a beautifully updated kitchen. It truly has everything high-end. You have to take a tour.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 122 Sonoma Terrace, an elegant end-unit townhome in the North Whisman neighborhood situated within the highly desirable Viewpoint community in the heart of Mountain View. This luxuriously modern townhome boasts an open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, wood flooring, contemporary features, and an abundance of natural light gleaming throughout. The main level welcomes you to the living room and dining area, which flows into the gourmet kitchen with updated cabinets. From the kitchen, French doors open up to a private balcony with scenic views. Upstairs greets you with 2 ensuite bedrooms, and a convenient laundry area. Additional features include a Nest thermostat, 2-car tandem garage with EV ports, ample storage, and a whole house central vacuum. The home is ideally located near Googleplex, Facebook, other major tech companies, Moffett Field, and NASA. Just a short distance to top-rated schools, parks, and downtown Mountain View shopping and restaurants. And in close proximity to all modes of transportation, Caltrain, VTA stations, and Highway 101. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you witness, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.